This 2018 Winnebago Journey 40J is a Class A RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44,720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2018 Winnebago Journey 40J is built on a Maxum chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.